resurrection of Project Transitface part. I don't know. They don't know. It seems like ages since this thing was on the road. The present job for Project Transitface is still rear lamps. They're the horrible LED ones that have been taken off. I've got some nice new big ones to replace them. The fact that they stick out way too far was only really the first of the problems. All of this wiring loom has had to be sorted out because it was all cut and damaged everywhere, with some new trailer cable in there, and it was all going very well until it come to testing the fog lamps. Not working at all. There's a break in the cable somewhere along the loom beyond there. So it could be anywhere, right the way up to the fuse box. Next day, blah 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 blah. Some lovely progress on Project Transitface. Underneath the bar there, we have a nice junction box for the wiring loom connected to these big lights on the back. And before I go any further, it's worthwhile mentioning that it wasn't me that fitted this, it was Mr. Senior Mustard. It doesn't matter how old you get, your dad will always know a bit better than you. Anyway, he's done the bit I can't do, and now I'm going to do the bit that I can do. Cable ties. Because underneath the bed there, while the junction box is there, nicely placed, these bits of cable do want securing, and so do these bits here. And that's what I'm going to do. But because of the colossal budge job on this truck before, just have a look at this. What's left over from the original wiring, all this lot here, all this lot doesn't really seem to even do anything. It was like untangling Bob Marley's dreadlocks. Need to pull this lot back together. I pulled some of the dash apart, and I don't even know why. Does anybody want a armrest for a Citroen Zara Picasso? Right, still a bit dangly, but it's a lot better than it was. Time to go! So I've put a rover badge on it. Looks good, even if it doesn't work properly.